Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment. Create a virtualenv and install transformers plus a backend like Torch. Once done, verify Python 3.8 or newer and confirm GPU drivers if available. Next, choose the pretrained model identifier such as Bert base uncased and download its tokenizer and config. This gives you consistent tokenization and architecture. Make sure to set a deterministic random seed for reproducibility and check available memory. These first actionable steps get you ready to load Bert and tokenize inputs. You now load the tokenizer and model via Auto Tokenizer. From Pretrained and Auto Model for sequence classification. From Pretrained, specifying the model ID. Then tokenize your text with padding and truncation using return tensors set to the backend format. This converts raw strings to input ID, attention masks, and token type ID. Once tokenized, batch your inputs to utilize hardware efficiently and move tensors to device. If you intend to fine-tune, wrap batches in a data loader and prepare optimizer and scheduler before the training loop. You perform inference by calling the model with input tensors using Torch. No grad for evaluation to save memory. To fine-tune, switch model. Train, compute loss, call loss. Backward, then optimizer. Step and scheduler. Step and remember to zero grad between iterations. Once done, save model and tokenizer with save pretrained. If things go wrong, check common issues. Out of memory, reduce batch size or use mixed precision. Mismatch tokenization, ensure tokenizer and model match. And label shape mismatches, verify target dimensions. This finishes the end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.